Hey, where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. How about you?
I'm from Canada. What's it like in Brazil?
Brazil is amazing. We have beautiful beaches and vibrant culture. How about Canada?
Canada is great too. We have stunning natural landscapes and diverse cities.
Sounds wonderful. Have you ever been to Brazil?
No, but I'd love to visit someday. What about you? Have you been to Canada?
Not yet, but it's on my bucket list. How about we swap travel stories sometime?
That sounds like a plan. By the way, do you speak Portuguese?
Yes, it's my native language. Do you speak any other languages?
I speak French and English. It's common in Canada to be bilingual.
That's impressive. Multilingualism is great. It opens up so many opportunities.
Definitely. It helps with communication when traveling too. So, what's your favorite Brazilian dish?
There are so many delicious ones. But I'd say feijoada is my favorite. Have you tried it?
No, but I've heard about it. It sounds delicious. In Canada, we have poutine, which is fries topped with cheese curds and gravy. It's a must-try.
Wow, that sounds interesting. I'll have to try it if I ever visit Canada.
Absolutely. And you have to introduce me to some authentic Brazilian cuisine when I visit Brazil.
Deal. It'll be a culinary exchange. So, what do you do for fun in Canada?
Skiing and snowboarding are popular activities, especially in the winter. How about in Brazil?
We love soccer. It's practically a national obsession. Have you ever played?
A little bit, but I'm not very good. I prefer watching. Do you have any favorite soccer teams?
Of course. Flamengo is my favorite. They're one of the best teams in Brazil.
Nice choice. In Canada, hockey is huge. Toronto Maple Leafs is a popular team.
Hockey seems intense. I'd love to experience a game someday.
You should. It's an unforgettable experience. Hey, speaking of sports, have you ever tried skiing or snowboarding?
No, but it sounds thrilling. Maybe when I visit Canada, you can teach me.
Absolutely. It'll be fun. So, what's your favorite thing about Brazil?
The warmth of the people and the vibrant culture. What about Canada? What's your favorite thing?
I'd say the diversity and the sense of community. It makes living here truly enriching.
That sounds wonderful. It's been great chatting with you about our countries and cultures.
Likewise, it's always fascinating to learn about different places and people. Let's keep in touch and maybe plan that cultural exchange.
Definitely. Looking forward to it. Take care.